Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Pisces, your person current feelings and their actions towards you, and this reading is from June 1st to June 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings. Pisces, your person current feelings. Lot of cards are put in, but I am not taking anyone. Okay, let's see your person current feelings. Two of Swords, the Devil, Queen of Swords. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Your person could be Capricorn also. Definitely your person right now at some crossroads. And the Devil, definitely you both obsessed with each other, or your person could be addicted to some bad habits, or you both could addicted to each other. And Queen of Swords, I think there is less communication, as harsh communication, cutting off. I think you are not emotionally available to your person, that's why your person want to cut you, because Queen of Swords is cutting, stand by her power. Definitely it is your person. I think right now your person at some juggling state. Two of Swords. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Pisces. Let's see here. Six of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Knight of Wands. Definitely, because your person want equal give and take. I already told you, if you are not available in their time, or emotionally unavailable, definitely your person will cut out you, because they stand by their power. And definitely if you give equal give and take, definitely they want to come towards you. Knight of Wands, I think you both could be fantasizing about each other. There is some confusion. Definitely Two of Swords and Seven of Cups. I think it is not options here, definitely, because your person could be fantasizing about you a lot, or you could be fantasizing them about a lot. If there is an equal give and take in this relationship, that definitely this relationship will go to next level, there is no doubt. And Knight of Wands, definitely your person want to come towards you if you want equal give and take. So let's pull some cards from universe. Eight of Swords, definitely stuck. I think you could be, or your person could be stuck. The Hierophant, wow, the Fool. I think Sagittarius also got these cards. Devil, Fool, and Knight of Wands. The Moon, Ten of Cups. Yes, definitely there are some secrets hidden. I think you could be hide something from your person, or your person hide something from you. I think your person or you may be stuck. That's why your person want to communicate to you clear that if you want this Ten of Cups and the Six of Pentacles and the Hierophant, there will be a chance for new beginning. Definitely the Fool. So if there is an equal give and take in this relationship, this could be a beautiful relationship. There is no doubt, sorry, because Ten of Cups and the Fool, the Hierophant, it is commitment. I think you going to be giving commitment to your person. If you do not give, or if you waiting for your person to give commitment, definitely your person will come towards you and offer the commitment. Ten of Cups and the Hierophant, definitely, and near future there will be equal give and take. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.